Hello everyone, this is video number 11. Another template, very simple one. This will be the last video for the year. It's almost January 1st, 2025. So this will be it for now. In one video I kind of said that you can't escape polarity. I didn't quite mean that in the way it sounded. Yes, you can through various means, but very temporarily. You can escape through deep meditations, mindfulness, breathing exercises, focusing on the moment. In those ways you can briefly escape for a while, at least with your mind. As for the body, probably not, but because things got to keep on running or else you'll die. So you got to keep on moving, man. All right. So this is just a vortex, more or less, quickly illustrating some dualities and polarities. There's vibration, which is created as distance creates dimension. It expands. As it does, this is more with the human mind and the brain. Architecture, everything we create in architecture is archetypal of many other logos of creation, such as the hierarchical sentence structure equals society structure. And the hierarchical sentence structure is with grammar, negation, polarities, with our verbs and adverbs and pronouns and so forth, back and forth, like magnetic polarities. Our lexicon sentences, structures, or mimics are molecular helixes. So when you study grammar negation, you see the polarities going back and forth, and the greater that we read, the more sentences, the more paragraphs, the more books, the greater that our society is structured in that format. Mentalism increases with expansion of polarity and duality. So here we have the technology is all polarity and duality based, of course. In between Jungianism and Freudism is surrealism. Sociology expands, where psychology also expands, but tends to contract more into the mind. Grammar polarities, of course, there we go. Left and right brain hemispheres, opposites control opposites. We got brain stem and the spinal cord, which is like the caduceus. Okay, and we got the neuron receptors and synapses, modulators, sorry. And those, of course, we talked about how there are spatial forces in between those that compress and are energized by electricity. And that electricity is intelligent, and that travels through our cells, our brain cells. The nucleus and the membrane, which is the cell. We have, of course, the RNA and DNA replications, atomic nucleus, negative and positive shells, A helix and B helix, metals and non-metals, spatial balance, crystalline, non-crystalline, symmetry, and asymmetry. Of course, the atoms on the right side there uh, increase with the vortex. They start from very simple beginnings with simple shells to far greater and far more complex energies. The again, from the gamma ray upward to the radio waves. So we're beginning to see more and more how the vortex, how anything can pretty much be explained away through the process of the vortex. You can see how many different kinds of philosophies could be placed around it and in it. All right, I guess that's it for today. This is just a last one for the year, and I hope you have a great New Year's Eve and New Year's and Christmas and everything else. And I'll see you in 2025 with many, 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 many more videos. All right, and so thank you again, and hope you enjoyed my videos. And I swore I was never going to say this kind of stuff, like please hit the subscription button, but I don't know, everybody else seems to do it, so I might as well too. Maybe it helps, I don't know. But thank you anyways, and have a great year. Thank you.